YAHOSHUAH. It's live from the Church of YAHOSHUAH, and we are here in the headquarters of the Church of YAHOSHUAH in Budapest, Madagascar. It's in the capital of Madagascar. We're going to listen to some songs and enjoy. know that you follow us. It's the Assembly of the Children of God that you were following, and either you were on the website YAHOSHUAHRTV.com or on YouTube YAHOSHUA TV English. So you can listen to this event in three different language: French, English, and Chinese. So you can choose either language you want. But here in the kingdom of Yahushua, peoples are coming. The children of God are coming because the moment starts at 9:30 p.m. There is an next song. Let's listen to that. Enjoy. Yeah, here in the kingdom of Yahushua, we are singing together. Some are already prostrating because here in the kingdom of Yahushua, we are worshiping Yahushua. We are glorifying Him in all means. So some try to, some not try, but they immediately prostrate and pray and talk to Yahushua. That is our life here in Yahushua. We always talk with Yahushua, in contact with Yahushua, even through songs or through dance or never frustrating. Enjoy the next song. I must get to the heaven of heaven. Yeah, that is the purpose of praying, right? So you go to church, to get to the heaven of heavens. You go to church to be saved so that your spirit can be saved. But how can you be sure that you will be saved? It's only in Yahushua that you have that certain certitude, right? So we are telling you and we are witnessing to you that truth. What a beautiful song is coming up there. Let's have hands in hands to go to Yahushua. I invite you, sisters and brothers, come to Yahushua if you want to be saved. You will find salvation, real salvation, elsewhere, but only in Yahushua that you can find that. The proof is these people that you can see on the screen, these people, children of God, they are already no longer sinners. They never sin from the moment they have received Yahushua, and now we are praying to keep our holiness. Let's listen to that beautiful song. Yahushua is fighting for me. Yeah, Yahushua has endured much thing when he came down here to save us. What if I tell you that these children of God are already free from sin and they never sin from the moment they were baptized in Yahushua, from the moment they received Yahushua, from the moment they accept to receive Yahushua? Even there are some people in these people on the screen that you can see on the screen who are not still baptized, but they don't sin anymore. They have witnessed that, and isn't that big? Isn't that wonderful? Isn't that unbelievable? It's unbelievable, but it's not impossible. It's not something that is just imagination. No, it's not an imagination. But we're living with that. That's why these people, these children of God, are shouting loudly because they are free from sin and they never sin. That is our life here. It's not only on Sundays and Saturdays that we're living with that free from sin. No, it's every day, anywhere, and even in a place where no one sees us. We still keep our holiness because we love Yahushua. He has chosen us, and we are going to keep that forever. That was the sermon of the ambassador of Yahushua just yesterday. It's not from wealth. Okay, that is the next song. Let's listen to that next song.
YAHOSHUAH, I love you. So far I keep pretty, no YAHOSHUAH. Farei no tantera kami wasati na tara nawi military da awampu la yafu pitawa no YAHOSHUAH. Yeah Yando for no wandu YAHOSHUAH tupu na da awampu kan da ufina na ufin sufita kuna da he's out again. If I think we'll let you know, if I think about what, if I start to know, YAHOSHUAH. I don't know ya, you need to be it's the carrot inside a cup. Tell me no ya, don't tell you. YAHOSHUAH, I love you. MALAGASY Ni forti chiami tempi YAHOSHUAH
I hope that you were already awake because now here in Madagascar it's 9:05 p.m. So I hope that you are already awake. So here, children of God begin to dance, to sing. There are lots of songs here, a lot of rhythm. So enjoy. we have already got eternal life. And that is true. Some people say that, and even you may say that you cannot be sure. You're like, you cannot be sure of that. And you may think that you cannot know that. But it's at the moment that you die that you know where will you go. But that is a complete lie if you are being taught with that. Or if you think that that is wrong. You can feel that right away when you receive Yahushua. You can feel that right away that my way, this way, following Yahushua is the way to go to the heaven of heavens. Now I'm so happy to glorify Yahushua and our beloved Father Yahhoshua, because they saved us, they saved our spirit. Now we are no longer single. We never sin, and we don't sin anymore after receiving Yahushua. Let's follow that beautiful song. can't wait a second away from you, Yahushua. That is our love, Yahushua. Each one has their way of expressing their joy. So, we are telling you, come to Yahushua and you will see that great happiness, real happiness. Ask yourself if being free from sin or non-sinner is bad. ask yourself if that thing is something that you should not wish for. But I am sure that you are convinced that being non-sinner and never sin, that is the best thing ever in your life on earth, I mean. So you should wish for that. Come to Yahushua, only in Yahushua, that you can get that. And when you get that, when you are free from sin, that means that you're perfect, right? You're perfect, and it's for sure at 100% that you will inherit the kingdom of God in the heaven of heaven. That's why I told you, it's not at the moment that you die that you feel that you go to the heaven of heavens. No. Let's listen to that next song.
Sapuna, Romaniti Yai, for my Gazami to roof and Panasel, Homena Joe, Panarati I, for Yahushua away from Yahuwah. How's one to catch his Sata Uraku?
Família de Funata na Yahhoshua.
Enjoying Noah to meditate. Aratina vomitara. Fingani Nova to medilavo. Fanya Oshwan Ferubaku. Sata Uraku, Maeri nada fia no baku, camisa misa no exalta da ufa baluku, Hungary arumena chatuku. Eu já sabia desejar, Samaria no vinho, saia moza maneracia, Izinha de Sansa Magina.
Again, ask yourself if being no longer sinner, if never sin is something bad. But I am sure that you would answer, no, that is the best thing ever on earth. Every day you are looking for happiness, but only in Yahushua that you can get that.
Zay tena natsapa fa hafa mihitsy Yahhoshua manditsany ho an'ny Yahhoshua. Ataovy tsara mihitsy e! Zay natsapa fa hafa mihitsy Yahhoshua miolakolana maderaka Yahhoshua izy e!
Yahhoshua is so special. That is the title of the song. Yahhoshua is so special. He is so special because you have called your God from a long time, 2,000 years now. It's been 2,000 years now, but you were still sinners. However, the Son of God came down here to remove and to take away our sin, but now you are still sinners. That means that you haven't seen the right God. According to the teaching of Yahhoshua, you haven't seen Him, and even in the teaching also, it has been said that sinners are from devils. Do you want to stay in that place? Come to Yahhoshua. Come to Yahhoshua and you will see. Listen to the teaching on the website YAHOSHUAHTV.com or on the YouTube channel YAHOSHUA TV English. And you're going to watch the teaching, and after that, send us SMS, ask question.
Jesus, hallelujah. One more Yahweh Jesus, the one more Yahhoshua, Yahshua like a devil, man do not fool Yachija, me let's it too. They are no Yahweh, see my number, Tundani, it's not too good. It's your time, it's your night.
Yeah, today is your appointment with Yahushua. Come to Yahushua, join Yahushua, and you will see the one of the surprising things which will happen to your life. And that is the best thing ever. The best thing that you haven't ever lived. Free from sin. am following you, Yahhoshua. You know, the children of God, they are already perfect. They are in the never seen situation now, and now they don't sin anymore. They never sin from the moment they have received Yahhoshua, and now they are expressing their happiness. Happiness, as the ambassador of Yahhoshua, Ziaria, has just said yesterday, you cannot find real happiness in your richness, in your wealth. You cannot find that from your spouse, from your children, from your family. No, you cannot find it. Only in Yahhoshua that you can find the real happiness. And that's why we invite you. We don't stop. We cannot stop to call you as well. You who are abroad, I mean outside of Madagascar, you are listening to us now, come to Yahhoshua. There is a reason why you are listening to us now. So come to Yahhoshua. when you were listening, if you were listening to this event, that means that Yahushua is already knocking on your door. And that is the title of the song. That is the song talking about Yahushua is knocking on your door. So open him, and come to him. Come to Yahushua and have hands in hands with Yahushua, and you will get to the heaven of heavens. I assure you, it's only in Yahushua that you receive the real salvation, the real happiness, the happiness that you were looking for every day, day after day, and you cannot find it elsewhere. Maybe you find that happiness, but it is just for a short period of time, maybe 1 hour after drinking alcohol, after smoking, after doing something like adulteries and something like that. But here in Yahushua, we don't sin anymore. But not only that, but we are living in a real happiness. You may think, why we still go to church? Because we are already perfect. We never sin. Yes, that's true. We go to church because look at these children of God. We are worshiping Yahushua because he has done this wonderful thing.
谁心中那样难题爱情你，这样你妈妈非你发来一股，阿来 kivi 阿吉乌塔发的呢，妈非呀这个呀我说啊哦，阿鲁的发米拉诺的呀，妈非呀这个呀我说啊哦，阿非努要发 baby 苏巴杰，哦阿非。
Tosika Francais Yahhoshua. Tena fiana sika mihitsy zao tena Yahhoshua zao.
We are perfect in Yahhoshua. We children of God are perfect in Yahhoshua. And why we still go to church? We still come to church because we are worshiping our God first. That is first. We are worshiping our God because now we are saved. And we are also keeping our holiness. We are increasing it day after day because even if we are perfect, we must be more perfect again day after day and minutes after minutes. That is with Yahhoshua. That is the teaching of the ambassador of Yahhoshua, the teaching of Yahhoshua brought by the ambassador of Yahhoshua Ziyaria. Holy people will get holier day after day. They will get holier and holier and holier. But sinners, they sin and sin again, and they become even worse. But here in Yahhoshua, we are perfect. We don't sin anymore. We don't do anything wrong anymore, which will sadden this God. But God said, the true Son of God said, don't sin anymore. And that's we are living here. Come to Yahhoshua and you will see.
Deus dará dia de dia.
Yahhoshua kapitei, diga nidu, sisi dai sai ubele, sanadi epago suracha, pandesi zahaye, kumuna si usai.
Ada orang kulit panas ni. Ладно, держите!
Dalam hidup Yahhoshua, sehari jazana, tenang guna sisa, minum nahabe, minum yang jabe, sisinya hujan. Kami barani sayang lupa nyanyi mani tembak ini sebuah hasil sisa desa sana bite Yahhoshua kapitei anjidan itu sisi dai sai ubele sama ji epago suracha pandesi zahaye bumi nasi usai Yahhoshua kapitei anjidan itu sisi dai sai ubele sama ji epago suracha pandesi zahaye
Jangan kami lakukan kami beda, wala kami ada bila Yahhoshua terjadi. Atau mafuan Yahhoshua, sedang bila Yahhoshua terjadi.
Yahushua is the captain, and we are the army of Yahushua. Whatever may happen, yes, we are the army of Yahushua because we never accept bad thing or sinful thing. We never accept these things, and we're fighting against these bad things. That's why we are the army of Yahushua.
Ooh. for you. Yahushua, mianara mafona nirayako. Sekuni fatala sifana. Ingumeko no Yahushua. Tita maraka no fefano nina.
Yala na hila kula sike ni Yahushua. Sema tapa basara, bea wasabi, unakula kama pewa na Yahushua.
I don't know if you still got any question that I cannot guess here. Like why you still go to church, whoever you are already perfect. And I have answered that. We are here to worship our God, and we also here to keep our holiness and to always get holier. But you may still get another question that I cannot guess. You can send us SMS and send your question and a WhatsApp number written on the bottom of the page website YAHOSHUAHRTV.com. I will going to state it to you. +261 32 86 663 98. I repeat again. +261 32 86 66398. That is the WhatsApp number. You can send us your question after listening or watching the teaching of Yahushua, brought by the ambassador of Yahushua Ziara. I truly invite you to watch these teachings.
하면 미래
Again, we are not tired to invite you to watch the teaching of Yahushua. It's all about salvation. You won't regret it. You won't regret it. Who don't wish to be saved? Just take a look at the teaching and you will see that it is really different from what has been taught to you. Listen to it and ask questions. Being with Yahushua is something that you should wish for. Why? You have gone to church for a long time. You have prayed for the God that you were worshiping now, but you were still sinner. And that is a huge problem, my brothers and sisters. That is a huge problem because according to the teaching of Yahushua, brought by the ambassador of Yahushua, Ziyaria, sinners, they come from devils, because it's always devil who sinned, and it's devil who has sinned from the beginning, and they cannot stop on sinning. That's why we invite you in Yahushua. When you receive Yahushua, when you accept Yahushua, and I am sure today if you accept Yahushua, you will feel immediately that you can be in the place where we are. But where we are no longer sinner. We never sin. After receiving Yahushua, it's been 7 years. Personally, it's been 7 years that I have been in Yahushua, but I haven't done any sin, and I don't sin anymore from the moment I have received Yahushua. And I guarantee you, my brothers and sisters, come to Yahushua and you will see the truth. There is no more truth. There is only one truth. There is only one truth, and Yahushua is the true one. It's only Him, Yahushua, brought by the ambassador of Yahushua, who said, don't sin anymore. Don't sin anymore. That is obvious, and there is no interpretation. There is no analysis that should be done with that sentence, that order, and that law, because it becomes a law here in Yahushua. We haven't known that before. It's not that we have seen that passage in the Bible, don't sin anymore, that we are telling you that we don't sin anymore. No, it's not because of the Bible. It's not because of the Bible, but we thank Yahushua because it's Him who has made us like so. After receiving Yahushua, after being baptized in Yahushua, after being baptized by the ambassador of Yahushua, Ziyadah, we become no longer sinner. We never sin. I repeat again, we never sin after the moment we received Yahushua. Isn't that great? Isn't that surprising? It's unbelievable. However, that exists. It's only in Yahushua that exists. I am telling you, you cannot find that elsewhere. You cannot find that. You have gone to church 2,000 years now, from your grandpa, but you were still sinners. Even that is something that your priest preaches to you in church. Always repent, but we are sinners. They're like that. Always repent. You may sin you can sin from Monday to Friday, and on Saturdays and Sundays you come to church and repent. That's what this church tells you to do. However, Yahushua hasn't done that. The true Son of God hasn't done that. He hasn't taught that to anyone. When He come down here and someone repent and receive His goodness, He said after that, now you are healed, now you were forgiven, but from now on, don't sin anymore. Don't sin anymore. That's what He said, and He said that 2 times with 2 different people. And now it's something that we are living here in Yahushua. That's why these people, these children of God that you can see on the screen, are having fun by dancing, singing. They have their own way to express their happiness. Don't you want to be in that place? But now we're going to listen this next song, and I'm gonna get back to you after. was a beautiful song. That was a beautiful song. I don't wish for anything or anyone anymore, but only Yahushua is enough for me. That is what happens here in Yahushua. We don't have anything to do apart from worshiping Yahushua, and that's what we are doing now. No one will give up. No one will give up, for it's not still over. That is a song talking about, yeah, we will never give up, and we will never quit Yahushua. We will never quit Yahushua, because we are now free from sin, and that is thanks to Yahushua. Only Yahushua has done such thing, and only Yahushua has done that, and He is only the one who did so. He is the true God. That is the proof that He is the true one. There are lots of imposters there, and I'm telling you, there are also lots of Yahushua out there, because they have stolen the teaching of Yahushua brought by the ambassador of Yahushua. But when you look for Yahushua, look for the ambassador of Yahushua, Ziadah, first. And it's the Yahushua brought by the ambassador of Yahushua, Ziadah, that you have to follow. Because apart from him, they are all imposters. Okay, they are all imposters. They plagiarize, they imitate all the teachings here, which is broadcast in this TV and radio. But I'm telling you, don't be deceived. Don't be deceived. It's not only Yahushua imposters out there. It's not only these people who are out there, but there are lots of God that they are calling out there, but they are all false. Why? Because they haven't taken you away from your sin. Until now, you are still sinner. Unless you're going to lie and you will say, now I am no longer sinner as well. But it doesn't work like that, right? It doesn't work like that. It's only after the baptism, after the moment you receive Yahushua, that will occur. So don't be deceived. It's not with your mouth that it will be accomplished or applied to you. No. There is, according to the teaching of Yahushua, brought by the ambassador of Yahushua, Ziariah. I have to sign this with the name of Ziariah, the ambassador of Yahushua, because again, there are lots of imposters there. So, according to the teaching of Yahushua, there is a cloth that you take with that baptism. If you were baptized, if you were baptized in Jesus or in whatever God you may perform your baptism, you are clothed with the God that you have been baptized with. And it cannot be removed anymore unless you come to Yahushua. So if you really want to go to the heaven of heavens, come to Yahushua. If really you want to be saved, come to Yahushua, preached by the ambassador of Yahushua, Ziariah. Just watch the teaching on the website, YAHOSHUAH.tv.com. The way, how do you spell Yahushua? It's YAHOSHUAH and RTV.com. I repeat again, YAHOSHUAH.RTV.com, YAHOSHUAH.RTV.com. And you can find all the teachings which is dedicated for you. It's all about salvation. It's all about salvation, and don't think, just watch it, okay? Just watch it and send us SMS if there is any question that you want to ask, or if there is something that you don't understand, you can still ask. You can still send us SMS. There is an email also, and you can find that on the bottom of the web page. The teaching also, you can find teaching also on the YouTube channel, Yahushua TV English, for English language. There is also three other languages, French, Chinese, and Malagasy. So you can choose either English you want. So don't hesitate. Feel free to send us SMS, because that is the purpose of our call now, to invite you. So come, okay? Come to Yahushua. Here comes the next song. Let's listen to that. That was a beautiful song, and it was a upbeat song also. I hope that you were enjoying joining us. Always join us and follow us. Follow Yahushua. That is the most important thing. Follow Yahushua, and you will see that you're gonna live peacefully.
Tiba-tiba jantung sembiku dan dalam nofonanu masih keceku来发力那就忙着也弄不依赖苦要我刷进就非要对他当非法当喵当喵当喵当喵刚来的小非法 hello 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 爱上了那非法当喵那别把那个男生当喵爱上我要我说的当喵突如你来了不法当喵Tiba-tiba jantung sembiku dan dalam nofonanu masih keceku来发力那就忙着也弄不依赖苦要我刷进就非要对他当非法当喵当喵当喵当喵
Médico menor una kuna kama bela só sana.
爱上了那非法当喵那别把那个男生当喵爱上我要我说的当喵突如你来了不法当喵
Yahhoshua mandi tsara mihitsy izy vitany Yahhoshua hoe iny ianao fa tamy manatitany Yahhoshua
Hello, 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 hello. As I'm on a favorite cameo, my paper like a nice cameo. I say, oh, I'm sure the cameo. To me, I look for cameo. Cameo, 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 cameo. Hello, 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 hello. As I'm on a favorite cameo.
I am coming, Yahushua. I am coming. I can't even wait to go there. So that is the song talking about. Yeah, here in Yahushua, we can't wait to go to Yahushua. We are calling you because we are waiting for you, right? We are waiting for you so that we can get to the heaven of heavens together. We're going to have hands in hand. Together we're going to go to the heaven of heavens. Yahushua has saved us. Yahushua has come down here to save us. Now it's time for you to come to Yahushua. It's time for you to join and get along with Yahushua so that you will be saved and you become never sin anymore, and also you will get to the heaven of heavens. That is for sure, brothers and sisters. That is for sure. You will not regret, because we are telling you the truth now. We have been to your place before, but once we have taken Yahushua, once we took Yahushua, we felt that we are free from sin. I cannot do the bad thing that I did before anymore. I cannot do that anymore. And that is a surprising thing. We are so grateful. But now we are calling you as well, so that you can be with us, so that you can feel the same happiness that we feel. You can feel the same happiness that we feel. So come to Yahushua. Don't hesitate. Yeah, maybe at the first time when you first listen to the teaching of Yahushua, you may still have that hesitation, fear, worried. What should you do? What can you do? Where should you begin? But feel free to send us SMS and we will answer. It's the ambassador of Yahushua directly who's going to answer you. So never hesitate. Immediately send us SMS as soon as you receive this message that I am broadcasting to you. These children of God, they are here to have fun together as well. Once we're gathered, it's a great happiness as well. So come to Yahushua and you become part of our family of Yahushua, the family member of Yahushua. You become part of the family, and we are sisters and brothers, and we got only one leader. I repeat again, we only got one leader. You join us, and we only got one leader on this earth. It's the ambassador of Yahushua, Ziadia, the younger brother of Yahushua. It's only him. It's only him who preaches such teaching. And his teaching has taken people away from their sins. I am the proof. I justify it. I am the witness. And these people, these children of God, we are thousands here. So we are inviting you to come. Okay? Come to Yahushua and you will see the real happiness that you cannot find anywhere. You cannot find that anywhere because it cannot be plagiarized. Okay, it cannot be plagiarized. You cannot just say, I am happy as well. But inside of you, you know that is not true. You know that you still need alcohol to make yourself happy. You still need your spouse. You still need your children. You still need money to get happiness. But in fact, it doesn't last longer. It doesn't last longer. It's only in Yahushua that it lasts. And it lasts forever. You're always happy because you don't have anything to be worried about anymore. You don't have anything to be worried about anymore. And when you don't have anything to be worried about anymore, that means that you were happy. Let's listen to that next song and dance with us, okay? Enjoy.
Yahhoshua manda fria lupa na uai Biar uai sama rompa abadku Nasaru jaza lala na ujabacu Yahhoshua lupa jazina uai Lipa jazaku Tiza fai Yahhoshua Imezaku Iratite akasika
I am more than a winner with Yahushua. That's right, because it was the sin that it's the sin which is the main problem of humanity. But Yahushua has destroyed that sin on the cross, and now what happens? We're more than a winner. Let's listen to that beautiful song. Enjoy.
Yahhoshua, Titaru Kuntuni, Yora Champuku, Timaru Kintu, Yao, Nifisi no Tuan Nifenaku, Eri Wai Namilaku, Naazina Azam, Mulanu Daku, Yono Yahhoshua, Wazafanu Wai, Nifisi no Tuan Nifenaku, no Matichaka. Yahhoshua, Titaru Kintuni, Lola Champuku, Timaru Kintuni, Nifisi no Tuani Nifenaku, Eluwai Enyani Nilaku, Na Azima Azam, Naluvaku, Yamnona Zava, Yahhoshua Nifana Yitu, Yahhoshua Lekufisina. Yahhoshua Lekufisina, Azailo Zanaua, Vatena Milanawa. Nifisino, Nufanantenaku, Nitenino, Numada Fiarugaku, Nifisino, Yahhoshua, Navutai. Nifisino, Fifalino, Wai, Gaminamo, Asumaraku, Nifisino, Yahhoshua, Nifisino, Fifalino, Wai. Difficile non fanate la cu Nintendo non vada fare un cu Difficile Yahhoshua una HAHOSHUAH Difficile di fare la uai Damilano asama ku Difficile Yahhoshua YAHOSHUAH like oficina Timmy sanotti sagiaku Vicino mueriwa Yang selalu difanahiku YAHOSHUAH like oficina Asa ilau sana uwa Patena milanawa
Sanini rakula kama dewa YAHOSHUAH tawana. Afalwa YAHOSHUAH menalan kota feto mati. Afalwa cici.
We have our own way to express our happiness. Some jumps, some are just dancing. Yeah, there is no more protocol. There is no much protocol here. But when you dance by the way you do it. Just there is no dance which sadden YAHOSHUAH here, right? You know what I mean. But here in YAHOSHUAH, it's all about good thing. It's all about good thing. We're so grateful that we don't sin anymore, and now we're going to keep it forever. But for people outside, apart from it's only in YAHOSHUAH that free from sin, deliverance from sin exists. But outside, because I have been there, I have been outside. It's about routine, right? Going to church, but we go to church. We went to church to look for spoons, to look for to accomplish bad thing. Here in YAHOSHUAH, that is forbidden. It doesn't exist here in YAHOSHUAH. We thank the ambassador of YAHOSHUAH Ziyadah because if he didn't come here to preach this true teaching, we are not saved. Even I am not here to call you to come and join YAHOSHUAH if the ambassador of YAHOSHUAH Ziyadah didn't come here and preach that true teaching. This is the only way to go to the heaven of heavens. There is no more way but here. So I am calling you. I am calling you, brothers and sisters, because the ambassador of YAHOSHUAH wants to save your spirit. That is the reason of his coming. First of all, YAHOSHUAH came here to save your spirit, to save our spirit. But now we are saved, and it's our turn now to call you. YAHOSHUAH has sent his ambassador, and it's Ziyadah, and Ziyadah is now calling you through the teaching, through this event. Come and join YAHOSHUAH. He is the only way to go to the heaven of heavens. If there are more than one way to go to the heaven of heavens, YAHOSHUAH has already declared that. But YAHOSHUAH said, according to the teaching, there is no other way but only in YAHOSHUAH, preached by the ambassador of YAHOSHUAH Ziyadah. And you may ask, how could that be possible? It's okay even if you just pray, and you just go to church and you pray with your whole heart, and it's okay, you can get to the heaven of heavens. You may say that thing, but I am telling you, don't be deceived. Again, don't be deceived. Yahushua said, don't sin anymore. But now you are still a sinner. So I return you the question. Why you were still sinners? Because you haven't received the right God, the true God. Maybe you think that they give you a sign, they show miracles, and you think that there is a God. Well, there is miracles. But think, devils also can do that. Devils can deceive you by showing you miracles, signs, and you may be surprised with its power. However, you were in the wrong path, in the wrong way. Don't be deceived. It's only the ambassador of Yahushua who dares to tell you, don't sin anymore. And here, that exists here. It's not only by the mouth. It's not only by the mouth, but we are living with that. And we're going to keep it forever. When we are following these false gods, I mean, Yahushua is the true God, and if we don't follow Yahushua, we are still sinner. And if we still sin, even if we go to the church every day, the result is always the same. We are still sinner if we go without Jesus or other apart from Yahushua. Okay, enjoy that beautiful song. here. We can't wait to go to Yahushua. The song was "We Are Going Back Home" because we can't wait. We can't wait. We look forward to going to Yahushua. Yeah, that is another song. Let's dance together.
Mula may mga pesa at yachik sana.
I still invite you to watch the teaching of Yahushua on the website YAHOSHUAHRTV.com or on YouTube Yahushua TV English. Feel free to ask questions after. There are some teachings in that online, and you can watch it. After listening to it, you can send us SMS, because it's possible that at the first time you are not convinced yet, and that is normal. That is how we behave. But seriously, I am telling you the truth. Once you listen to the teaching, just choose the teaching, either teaching you want, and you'll see that it's all about salvation. It's all about the truth, and it's all proved. There is nothing like opinion, personal opinion in it, but it's about all the accomplishment of the word, and also it is proved according to the prophet and according to the law and Psalms also. Because when we are believers, we want this proof. Sometimes we want this proof from the Bible, from the words of God, from the Holy Scripture. And in this teaching, I am telling you, it's all proved. It's all proved. So, I am telling you also, the real proof that this teaching is the right one and Yahushua is the true God. Yahushua, preached by the ambassador of Yahushua, Zariah, is the true God, because now we are free from sin. I always say that, and I always tell you that I am free from sin, because that is the main reason Yahushua came here. God the Father, Yahweh, has sent Yahushua to save people on earth because of the sin. God the Father, Yahweh, has sent Yahushua to save people away from sin. And when you receive Yahushua, that is the main reason Yahushua came here. You become non-sinner, and after that, you living in peace with a real happiness, and also you can be sure, you can feel that you were in the heaven of heavens, even if you were still on earth. But you will feel that you were already in the heaven of heavens, next to Yahushua. Yahushua is next to you, inside of you, even though you were still on earth. And that's why you cannot sin anymore. That is possible, but only in Yahushua. That is possible, and you cannot find that anywhere. Just look and take a look at the teaching, watch the teaching, listen to the teaching, and you will see that there is no lie, there is no deception. You say it's all about truth. Here we are telling you the truth. Every day there is no sinful thing that we can do in our day. What we are doing our day is we are living with Yahushua, and even we forgot that we have done bad things before we took Yahushua. Now we are living. It's automatic for us to do the right thing, only good things. It's automatic to us to avoid sinning. It's automatic to us. These things are automatic to us. So I'm telling you, who don't wish for that? You are looking for money to be happy, right? You are looking for spouse to be happy. You are making friends to be happy. But in fact, that is not real happiness, because it doesn't remains in you. It is just in a short period of time and it is gone. And you still need to look for money and look for another friend, look for another thing to own in order to get real happiness. But come to Yahushua and you will see. Let's enjoy this upcoming song.
Unificava quando Yahhoshua Tetsiana kinira titsunizawe Masaru piarwa nira malatagau Katsiana kimitau Nufa masina nefano menawai Tunawarufa kumanda kizai Twasiku petini tunona tekeli Fatenu masina now Timira fiabana Demune tuna Tana kinera Se sa ci ti chiamano, se me la chiamano, demonetto sa ci mi panna fina, penazzi ma faliano. E la tampera ca un panno, la marina si ma si mette mi tu